नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रियाति शर्मा है। मैं जम्मू शहर दी तहसील बिश्नाह दी रौहने आनी हाँ। I have done my graduation and my post-graduation from Jammu University, and it was in the year 2015 that I cleared the UPSC Civil Services with 136th rank. Right now, I am posted as Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and I belong to the Indian Revenue Service. Recently, I got to know about this International Dogra Society, and it's my pleasure today that through their medium, I am getting a chance to talk to all of you. Well, to begin with, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Yes, I'm talking about the COVID-19 or the coronavirus crisis, and I hope you all are safe at home. I request you to please follow all the government guidelines because we all need to be together following these guidelines, being safe at home so that we can come out of this crisis stronger. Now, I specifically wanted to talk to those of you who are thinking of pursuing a career in civil services, whether it is UPSC or state PSC. I would like to share my own experience here. Well, the preparation itself is so imbibed in the impartation of the knowledge that the kind of knowledge which I received while preparing is something which I wouldn't have received otherwise. And even if you see after that, after clearing the exam, my experience in the field till date, it is very enriching. The kind of people I get to interact to, it is something which I really believe I wouldn't have been able to had I pursued any other career. So those of you who are interested in pursuing this, I would be honored if you sent me your questionnaires to my email ID, but I request you to first send me a little brief about yourself, about your introduction, and detail about whatever you want to ask me, and send it to me to my email ID at prayati@gmail.com, PRYATI@gmail.com. So once again, let me thank this portal, International Dogra Society, for letting me talk to you. I am really glad that they gave me this opportunity, and I wish them all the very best, all the very good luck for pursuing this in future itself. मैं तुंदा भी सारे दा मता धन्यवाद करनी हाँ कि तुसें मेरी तरह ये सुनिया, ते कन्नै मैं आशा करनी हाँ कि मेरियां गल्लां तुंदे कुछ काम आन गियां। धन्यवाद।